te whānau, ko whaia tēnei, and I'm just checking in to see how you're doing during alert level 2. Now, here at Ngāi Te Whātua Ōrākei, we want to canvass what's happened in your homes, in your bubbles during alert lockdown level 4. So, we've posted up a couple of questions for you to answer, and what we need you to do is just fill them in and send them through to us. You can answer as little as you like, you can answer them more. Let us know what your bubble did during alert lockdown level 4. If you have any questions, email us and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. And that's all from me. Kia ora, can't wait to hear from ya.